So now that you've completed all of the first 4 parts of your project, part 5 is going to be taking all of those parts and putting them together. So your city and your state, that's going to be the city and the state that you chose from part 1. You did San Antonio and then you did 3 others. So whichever one you ended up choosing, you'll type here. The type of mortgage that you chose is going to be from part 3, where you had your 4 houses and you looked at 15 and 30 year mortgages. You'll tell me which type of mortgage you chose. You'll tell me your monthly payment, which is again from part 4. Your estimated property tax, again, part 4. And then you're going to take those numbers and you're going to find your estimating closing cost. So your purchase price from part 4 divided by 1,000 times 18.61. Your median net annual salary is going to be the career choice you did from part 4. Your total amount remaining, which was your median annual salary minus your monthly payment, times 12. And why did you choose the house you chose? So this shouldn't take you too long. It's going to be a compilation of what you did in the last 2 weeks. You're going to fill this in and then turn it in.